Anime Expo, a place where people from various walks of geekdom come together to congregate. In particular, the cosplayer. There's one species that has caught my interest. The Vash cosplayer. I have spent my entire professional career studying the Vash cosplayer. And now, after years of research, I had finally acquired my opportunity to study them up close and personal. Here at Anime Expo 2012. After hours of navigating this glorious but harrowing environment, I finally found a few. The migration pattern seemed to indicate a gathering in the nearby vicinity, and to my joy I was correct, as one by one the other Vash cosplayers started to come together and engage in the challenge. Such a magnificent scene. This was a golden opportunity that I did not wish to waste. In order for the Vashes to let me get close enough to study them, I had to use the right kind of bait.
Okay. We are coming across the habitat of the elusive Vash cosplayer. I will attempt to lure them with bait. Donuts. Yes, donuts. Nice, tasty donuts. Yes, see? Good, yes. Okay, good. What? Okay. Oh God! Oh God! It's oh God! Okay. You got more donuts? Yes. Oh God! Oh no!
It was a close encounter indeed, but eventually I won their trust. And through my experiences, I have learned so much about the Vash cosplayer. I had learned their dancing rituals, how they heal their sick, and how they bond together throughout tough times. Thank you, Vash cosplayers, for you have given this researcher an opportunity and an experience that she will never soon forget.
Guess what's going on YouTube?
3, 2, 1.